Hello students, today we will learn 100 fruits name. Apple, orange, mango, grapefruit, apricot, Asian pear, persimmon, amblic, cherry, watermelon, gooseberry, lime, coconut, sugar apple, pomegranate, dragon fruit, grape, fox grape, lychee, spadula, banana, canistel, lemon, pineapple, guava, avocado, strawberry, blackberry, muskmelon, mango plum, star apple, pear, papaya, java plum, java apple, blueberry, cranberry, cantaloupe, honeydew melon, wood apple, star fruit, passion fruit, sweet granadilla, black currant, red currant, canary melon, Kivano, Fioja, honeyberry, thimbleberry, water chestnut, central fruit, snake fruit, soursop, ugly fruit, pepino melon, silverberry, mouse melon, peanut butter fruit, miracle fruit, rose hip, lancet, mammy support, kumquat.